Today I'll show you how to transfer data from one SSD to another. You probably want to migrate everything, including the system, keeping everything just as it was. That way you won't have to waste time setting everything up again. But you should know methods like copying and pasting or system restore point are unable to do this. So after watching this video, you'll learn a more effective way to do it. Let's get started. First up, you need to know what kind of SSD you're upgrading to. Is it a super fast NVMe M.2 drive like this one? Or is it a 2.5-inch SATA drive? This is crucial for the next part. So if your laptop only has one slot, which is super common, you're going to need a USB enclosure. This temporarily turns your new internal SSD into an external USB drive. And it's the secret weapon that makes this whole process so simple. But if there are two slots, you can just install the other SSD into it. Now, final checks before we start. Making sure your new SSD's capacity is equal to or larger than your old one. And second, back up any important files if there are any on the new drive, because during the process, the disk will be erased. Now connect the new SSD and let's check if your computer recognizes it. We can just open disk management here. If a new disk shows up here, you might see it as not initialized. Then we can move on. Now everything is ready. The last thing we need is a tool that can transfer all your data completely. But the question is, what tool can move your whole disk over without reinstalling the system or losing any data? Well, there is a tool that can do it all automatically, including initialization, format conversion, data cloning, partitioning, and it's called EaseUS Disk Copy. It supports a wide range of hard drive brands and type. Whether you're using Crucial, Samsung, or WD, and whether it's SATA or NVMe, you can use it to clone basically any two SSDs. And I will put the link in the description below. Once downloaded, the following steps are straightforward. Go ahead and open up EaseUS Disk Copy. You'll see a few options, but for a full drive upgrade, we should choose disk mode. This copies everything. Now it will ask you to select your source disk. This is the one, so I'll just select it and click next. Then it asks for a target disk. This is your new SSD connected via USB. Make absolutely sure that you've selected the right one and double check it since it is crucial. A huge warning will pop up saying the target disk will be erased. It's normal, so just click continue. You'll get this screen about editing the layout, and for most people, just check Autofit the disk and hit proceed. This automatically resizes the partitions to fill your new bigger drive perfectly. Now just hit continue and let it work its magic. This will take a little while, so maybe go grab a snack. By the way, if you're planning to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, this new feature can automatically perform the upgrade during the cloning process and bypass its hardware restrictions. Now that the cloning is done, you'll get the message, and here we can click yes to verify. But if the cloning failed, this tool usually shows the reason, and you can drop a comment and let me know, and I'll do my best to help. If everything went smoothly, it should just boot straight into Windows. And look at that, your desktop, your files, your programs, it's all exactly as you left it. Now we can power down the laptop. Carefully open it up and swap the old drive for your newly cloned SSD. It's that simple, and you can power up again for a second verification. One last tip. Please securely erase your old SSD before you sell it or throw it away to protect your data. And that's all for today. You've successfully upgraded your SSD. I'll see you in the next one.